What is going on, guys? SUDDOTH here, back again. We have SUDDOTH 1. And we got the R34 GTR with a V-Spec badge. So this baby just got wrapped here. And as you can see, the color is amazing. Nice LMGT4 Nismo rims. But we're going to be badging this baby up here today. I think she's going to go right there. Something like that. So stay tuned. We're gonna get this on and I'll show you guys here in a moment when it's done. All right, as you can see, the finished product here, V-Spec gold emblems from Nissan, and we got the V-Spec badge here. Awesome looking R34 GTR. Brand new headlights. She's a beauty. All right, see ya. What is going up, guys? SUDDOTH 2 here and SUDDOTH 1 back again with another GTR video. So we have the R34. Today we are getting the Nismo cluster swapped out. As you can see there, 85,334 kilometers. We have the MFD, which is going to need a new screen here soon anyway. As you can see, it still works. It's just really light in the center. Probably get a new shift knob here soon as well. This one's a little worn out, but as you can see, we're going to get this started. I believe we have to take this cover off, take this out, and then it's a couple bolts and screws, and we'll have to take it out at a certain angle. So we'll update you as soon as we get that done here, and hopefully show you some progress. All right, guys, so we've gotten the two top bolts on this little trim here. As you can see, 1, 2, and then there was 4 bolts holding this cover in, which are up underneath. So it's 1, 2, and 3 bolts actually on that side. Once you got that off, you can start taking this off. There's a plug all the way here on the left-hand side, right here. So we have to take that out here. Once we get that out, it should be pretty easy. All right, guys, now that we've got that little hose unplugged, we have 3 bolts. You got one right here, and then you got one up top, which is right here. And then you have one down here on the right, which is right there. So once you do those 3 plugs, we're gonna start taking this thing out and undo the plugs in the back.
All right, guys, so there's 2 angles you gotta get here. With this one, you take your flathead, you push it in that way. And then this one, I got the flathead straight in and pushed it out.
And we're using this angle here. As you can see, we pulled it from the top first down so you can see the tip, and then got the cluster back at this angle. So now we're gonna see if we can take this out. There might be one more clip we gotta get to though. Once you have the first 2 clips out on the left side, now you can pull it out a little bit further, and you have this right clip here. You should be able to get it from the left side to push that in. Small little room, so a longer screwdriver would definitely help there. All right, guys, now we have all 3 clips out. This cluster should be able to come out right from the left.
Don't wanna mess up the interior.
You might also be able to take it out from the right side. But as you can see, the angle that he's coming in, the cluster just barely comes out there. So now you have the empty dash with your 3 cables and the cluster.
Scratch that.
All right, guys, here's the old cluster. Here's the brand new Nismo cluster out of the box here. So as you can tell, this is about to go in.
It's got 320 kilometers per hour
versus the 180. It's got
higher
Nismo,
RPMs,
same gauges,
and it lights up beautifully.
All right, we got the new cluster all wired up. We started with this one.
I don't know what these writings are factory on this cluster, but that's pretty cool.
Oh yeah. OEM cluster's got some writings on it right out of the box. All right, so now that should be able to push back in. And you should be able to line up those little bolts there. Make sure those plugs don't fall in, bro, on the left side. And the other one. The other one looks like. Pull it out to the left.
It's fine. I mean, you can grab it from underneath anyway.
Pull it to the left.
It's good.
Alright. Because it needs to go over that.
I know.
So pull it over.
Okay.
Alright, there you go. Okay. Now it should. You gotta get this top piece in, Mike.
Where's it go?
Up underneath. You have to maybe angle that in. The bottom side.
The left side needs to come in a little bit more.
There you go. Perfect. Brand new cluster with 0 kilometers.
Alright,
Now we gotta put the 3 bolts in.
yes, that's right. Okay.
What is going on, guys? We just finished the cluster change. As you can tell, Nismo cluster. R33. And we gotta turn off the windshield washers. Because we had accidentally turned that on. And there you go. 0 odometer. And start it up here. Make sure all the lights work and everything. Now we got flashers. We got
Headlights, fog.
Nismo OEM cluster, 0 odometer. Let's give it a little bit of rev. All right, everything seems like it's working good. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's your boy, SUDDOTH 2, SUDDOTH 1.
Hope you guys enjoy.
Peace.